Welcome back. Today we're diving into 10 simple habits to grow thick, long, and healthy hair. Whether you're struggling with hair loss or just want healthier hair, these tips are for you. Let's get started. Before we jump into the habits, let's talk about why hair health is so important. Our hair often reflects our overall health. Stress, nutritional deficiencies, and environmental factors can all affect our hair. By adopting healthy habits, we can support our hair from the inside out. What we eat plays a huge role in hair health. Load up on fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Foods rich in biotin, zinc, iron, and vitamin D are particularly beneficial for hair growth. Scalp massages feel amazing and benefit your hair. They increase blood flow to the scalp, delivering vital nutrients to hair follicles. Try incorporating this into your routine a few times a week. External hydration is just as important as internal hydration. Consider incorporating a hydrating hair mask or leave-in conditioner into your routine. Look for products with high hyaluronic acid and aloe vera to retain moisture. Excessive heat styling can wreak havoc on our hair. Whenever possible, try to air dry your hair or use heatless styling methods. If you must use heat, apply a heat protectant spray and use the lowest heat setting. Your hair will thank you in the long run. What we put on our hair is just as important as what we put in our bodies. Many conventional hair products are loaded with harsh chemicals. Look for products free of sulfates, parabens, and silicones. Natural alternatives are gentler on the hair and scalp, promoting overall hair health. Regular trims are essential for healthy hair growth. Split ends can travel up the hair shaft, causing further damage. Aim for a trim every 6 to 8 weeks to keep those split ends at bay. Chronic stress can contribute to hair loss. Finding healthy ways to manage stress is crucial for our overall well-being and hair health. Incorporate stress-reducing activities like exercise, meditation, or spending time in nature. Our hair is constantly exposed to environmental aggressors. Protect your hair by wearing a hat, using a swim cap, and using products with UV protection. Consider using a scarf or hat to protect your hair from harsh winds and cold temperatures. While we sleep, our bodies go into repair mode, including our hair. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Creating a relaxing bedtime routine can contribute to better sleep. So there you have it, 10 simple habits to grow thicker, longer, and healthier hair. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate these habits into your daily routine and be patient with your hair journey. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. See you next time.